Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a fire truck firefighter playset that we're going to open. On the table I have several vehicles and we're going to open all of them. Are you guys ready for this? Okay, let's do it together. First we're going to open this one. Cool. We have a fire truck with a ladder on top of it. Look at this, guys. You can extend it out and you can put someone on this. Very cool, right? Okay, let's close this. Let's move on to the next one. Here's our second fire truck. Let's open to see what we have. Cool. We have almost the same thing, guys. So we also have a ladder, but we can extend this out unlike the other one. Look how long it is, guys. So cool. Alright, I'm going to put it right here. Next, we're going to have a snow plow. Cool. Look at this. It's a snow plow, guys. So we use the snow plow to plow snow. That's very obvious, right? Looks great. Okay. Next we have another fire truck. Look at this, guys. We have another fire truck. And it has 911 on it, which is the number that you call whenever your house is on fire. We have another fire truck here, guys. Let's open it. Cool. This is a very long fire truck, guys. And it has this thing right here. I guess this is for shooting the water out into the fire. Cool. You can turn it around too, guys. Alright, let's see what else we have. We have a tower, and these are all the parts of the tower, guys. Let's put them together. Cool. Let's open this too. Cool. There's so many parts, guys. Here's the screen. Looks great. Okay, now let's put the tower together. have a really tall tower, guys. Wow, this is very tall. Looks great. Here's our tower. Whoa, this is even taller, guys. Look at this tower. Wow, very cool. We can put some people on there. Okay, so we have our trucks down here. And we have a really tall tower over here. And we can put this tower back there. Very cool, right? Let's have a look at them one more time. Oh. Whoa, very tall. Alright guys, that's it for the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.